Welcome to Pesky Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Okay, now we are almost there. As you see, we are almost there on the programming. I lowered the screen so that I can save the battery. Never ever try to do this, please. If you are programming a car, put a charger on your laptop. Right now, I am parking outside, far from the charger. I have a booster in the car, but I do not have a charger on my laptop. If this laptop shut on me, it's my mistake. And then you lose programming, you lose your computer, you see I have 39% left. It's okay, 39%. Here I have maybe 5% left. But don't do that. I lowered the programming, the screen, so that consumption of the electricity could be low. But this is actually the procedure of upgrading and downloading a software and upgrading your Indian computer software for Mazda, and also it could work for all Mazdas and all Mercedes, Ford and Mazda. The platform look the same. Even Range Rover, Land Rover, Jaguar, before they're using the same platform of Land Rover, of Ford. Now Mazda changed the system. You see now programming almost there. See the distance is not too. Yes, you say turn the key off. I'm turning the key off. I'm gonna click this. Okay, resetting. If you go back to do any update, I will try to. 15 seconds off. Turn the key on. Click OK. Ignition is on. Ignition off again. Calibration check. Unload it. Click next. It will give you the details. You see, part number. Programming label is required when emission job is done. Operation successful. Complete. I'm gonna hold on. Operation complete. You're gonna go here. Ignition is on. Sometimes it is clear codes, sometimes not. Clearing codes. So you have to be patient. Every code have to be cleared. And you're good to go. And here is how you program upgrading your computer. If you have already replaced the sensor, which is an O2 sensor, they call it air fuel ratio sensor. Don't forget that the subscription is almost $50, and you need to have VCI, vehicle communication interface, which is this one. Anyone that approve. Understand? It can be Mazda one, it can be J2 by Snap-on, could be by Abritas, could be by any company. See now it's clear. It says turn the key off. I'm gonna click next, and now we're done. I'm gonna go to vehicle information, and the problem is solved. Thank you for watching.